Guruvandan. Hello friends. Hari Om. Namaste. In our earlier videos, stress relief yoga, we have seen initial steps toward the journey of yoga sadhana. That includes technique, mechanism of Kapalbhati, also the meditative posture and its importance and science. Now next steps further, we proceed to Anulom Vilom, a Nadi Shodhan Kriya followed by Trimurti Pranayam. Nadi means energy channel and Shodhan means to cleanse or purification. While Trimurti Pranayam is a practice to enter higher meditative states. We all know about the Anulom Vilom, but Trimurti Pranayam is not much familiar to us. Trimurti Pranayam method is described in the Dhyana Bindu Upanishad, a unique and very effective pranayam which gives effect on not only physical level, mental level, psychological level, emotional level, spiritual level, but also succeed to achieve pratyahar, dharana and meditation simultaneously. That is fifth, sixth and seventh stage of Ashtanga Yoga. Hence, it may be considered all in one pranayam. Anulom Vilom Kriya, the method is familiar to us. Here, Anulom Vilom is a base for Trimurti Pranayam. Please remember. Where in Trimurti Pranayam, additional Bija Mantra chanting in mind is to be done during inhalation and exhalation and Kumbha. Graphical chart is given for better understanding. You can refer. Now, take sitting posture with folded legs without strain. Maybe Siddhasan, Padmasan, Vajrasan, Swastikasan or Sukhasan. Sadhak can sit without trouble, spine erect, hand in Dhyana Mudra, focus at eyebrow center, visualize Om at eyebrow center. Preliminary breathing exercises are also must before Anulom Vilom, which are equally important for better result. That is deep breathing, Suryabhyas, Chandrabhyas, Surya Bhedan, Chandra Bhedan in sequence with all full awareness to achieve maximum benefit. Now, we see the deep breathing 3 rounds with both the nostrils. First, exhale out completely. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Eyes remain closed and experience impact in our mind, inner awareness. The next breathing, Suryabhyas. Left nostril is closed. Breathing through right nostril. Exhale out first Then inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Eyes remains closed. Inner awareness. Now Chandrabhyas. Right nostril is closed. Breathing through left nostril. First exhale out completely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Experience the impact in our mind and inner awareness, Antarik Sajagata. Now, Chandrabedan. In Chandrabedan, right nostril closed, exhale out completely, inhalation through left nostril close, exhalation through right nostril. Again, right nostril close, inhalation through left nostril close, exhalation through right nostril. Again, right close, inhalation through left nostril, left close, exhalation through right nostril. Eyes remains closed. Experience the impact in our mind. Inner awareness, Antarik Sajagata. Now Surya Bhedan. In Surya Bhedan, left nostril is closed. Exhale out completely. Inhale through right nostril. Right close. Exhale through left nostril. Again left close. Inhalation through right nostril. Right close. Exhalation through left nostril. Again left close. Inhalation through right nostril. Right close. Exhalation through left nostril. Experience the impact in our mind. Inner awareness, Antarik Sajagata. Now, the Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom is an alternate Chandrabedan and Surya Bedan. Now see, right nostril closed, first complete exhalation through the left, inhalation through the left, left nostril close, exhalation through right. And again inhalation through right, right close, exhalation through left. Repeat 2 more times. Inhalation through left, left close, exhalation through right. Inhalation through right, right close, exhalation through left. Again inhalation through left, left close, exhalation through right. Inhalation through right, right close, exhalation through left. Eyes remains closed. Experience the impact on your mind. Inner awareness, आंतरिक सजगता. Now Trimurti Pranayam. As I told earlier, Anulom Vilom is the best for Trimurti Pranayam. Remember, here during inhalation, mental chanting means chanting in mind, Om Brahmane Namaha. When breathe is in, mental chanting, Om Vishnuve Namaha. And when exhalation, mental chanting, Om Rudraye Namaha. Now, we will do. Close right nostril, exhalation first, then inhalation through left nostril with mental chanting, Om Brahmane Namaha. Both the nostril close, mental chanting, Om Vishnuve Namaha. Open right nostril, exhale with mental chanting, Om Rudraye Namaha. Inhalation through right nostril with mental chanting, Om Brahmane Namaha. Both the nostril close, mental chanting, Om Vishnuve Namaha. Open left nostril, exhale with mental chanting, Om Rudraye Namaha. Again inhalation through left nostril with mental chanting, Om Brahmane Namaha. Both the nostril close, mental chanting, Om Vishnuve Namaha. Open right nostril, exhale with mental chanting, Om Rudraye Namaha. Inhalation through right nostril with mental chanting, Om Brahmane Namaha. Both the nostril close, mental chanting, Om Vishnuve Namaha. Open left nostril, exhale with mental chanting, Om Rudraye Namaha. Experience the impact. Inner awareness. A beautiful experience. Pleasant experience. Hari Om. Now we see the mechanism behind this. Nostrils are called nadi or energy path. Right nostril also called pingla nadi and left nostril called ida nadi. Breath flowing through right nostril, pingla nadi, control left cerebral hemisphere, that is left brain, which activates excitement, over vigorous activity, aggressive nature, more alertness and digestion of food. And breathing flow through left nostril, ida nadi, control right cerebral hemisphere, that is the right brain, which activates relaxation, emotional activity and peace of mind. Through Anulom Vilom practice, we improve the flow from both the nostrils and are able to maintain it for longer period. When the flow is equal from both the nostrils, it balances both the cerebral hemisphere, right brain and left brain. As a result, it brings tranquility in mind, making mind more balanced and stable. This happens because the nostrils are supplied by sympathetic and parasympathetic branches of autonomous nervous system. Hence, alternate consciously controlled breathing brings harmony and establishes balance between right and left brain. Simultaneously, it also regularizes the other body functions including endocrine functions and immunity system. In this way, Anulom Vilom produces suitable environment, proper inner awareness, and Trimurti Pranayam simultaneously succeed to achieve Pratyahar, Dharana and meditation. Hence, the practitioner can get multiple benefit in short duration. The detailed study on Pratyahara, Dharana and Dhyan we will study in next video. Hari Om.